Okay, guys, there's an app called Kika keyboard, and it's basically this thing where you can like do like these different emojis and stuff, and do all these different themes for your keyboard. And yeah, and then there's these sounds that you can do. So watch this. This is my sound right now. This is my sound right now. It's a laser. It's really cool. And this is my theme right now. Last time it was like a blue skeleton, like fire skeleton, but now it's this one. So we're gonna test them all. So this is nothing. Default. This is like regular texting, right? Hold on. Okay. Yeah, and then this typewriter. Minecraft, and then this. Gun. Cup. And this is mine. So, then there's tune. Play some songs with that. There's Rubber Ducky. And it's the last one. So yeah, this is the one I'm gonna use. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And hold on, guys. Look, I'll show you guys. This is it. See? I said mamas. See? Okay, guys. That was my talking. Okay, bye.